In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use cloud. Let's click to the mega link and let's see what can we find here. So this is the cloud that I'm usually using. Let's just create an account, blah, 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 blah. All the boring info just as usual, name, email address, password, and we're gonna click I agree. Yes, create account. Of course, our email, blah, blah, resend, refresh. Let's see. Oh, it's here. Oh, beautiful. The next step is just confirming, well, verifying the email. So we're gonna do that. Blah, blah, blah. Give me your password. Thank you very much. Confirm. And we are done. So basically now we are in our cloud. We're just gonna choose the free program because why pay for a cloud, you know? Unless you have a real big project, it doesn't really matter. So now we are just going to see what can we do inside of this beautiful cloud. Let's see. So we can actually share our content, we can upload stuff, we can manage it in every way possible. It's so user friendly, it's so nice, it's so quick, that's why I love it. You can, for example, upload this folder just because we can, you know, like let's make a new folder, let's name it something. Oh yeah, that's a very good name. Good job. Tutorial, blah blah. Let's put something inside so we see, hey, it's not just a folder, it's also a file inside or two files inside, doesn't really matter. We can put anything. This is just an example, so yeah, let's just write something so we know it's the same file. It's not just showing us the file, but it's actually the same content. I don't know why it wouldn't show us, but I don't know. Let's make another folder. I like to put variety of things when I'm doing these examples, just to show you you can use this for literally anything. So any kind of files, it doesn't matter. Is it documents, is it video, is it photos, it doesn't really matter. You can put music, whatever. Okay, and we just uploaded it and it's here. We are going to open this file. Oh yeah, it's the same file. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go on with this tutorial. What else can we find here? Okay, so we can share. Yes. You can just type an email address. They will get an email. It's easy as that. They're just gonna say, hey, I'm just going to make a new account, blah, blah, blah. Now I can access this file. Beautiful. It's really easy when you're making some bigger project or, well, team project anyway. So you can just include your people here. You can have a chat room here. You can have anything, really. Anybody can upload files, or you can only upload files and they can just download. It's up to you how you're going to set this up. So this is one way to do it. Another way to do it is, yeah, we can also label it. I don't know, I was recording this file and I'm just doing this voiceover now, and oh yeah, I wanted to show you. We can label it, okay, this color is for this customer, other customer is different color or whatever. Now we just click I agree. And yeah, we can share it like this. Link with key. So basically anybody can download this. Yeah, let's go. Paste. Enter. Nice. Oh, it's a file, blah blah. Download. Or we can even import it to our own cloud, which is beautiful. It's really user friendly. It's really, everything is really self-explanatory. But I just wanted to show you guys. You can also download as a zip file or whatever if you want to compress it. Well, yeah, now we can see how we can make another folder and just import everything into this new folder that we made inside of this new cloud. So let's say somebody sends us a project. And what do we want to do? We actually want to say, hey, this guy sent me this project because I'm working on a lot of things. So, oh, yeah, okay, this is team project. Let's just import stuff inside. And then you will get a folder, team project with your stuff inside. Yay, it's beautiful. Did I mention it's beautiful? Yeah, like 7 times, but it's fine, guys. Mega drop folder. So this is the kind of thing where everything is just shared. Shared, 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 shared. So basically, you can give this link to somebody. Somebody can modify the file. Let's say, I don't know, you're working on a book and you need somebody to edit your files, check the grammars and stuff. So you can make this whole project thing, and they can just edit your file and say, hey, I'm done. Or they can add something else, like, okay, now we are adding contact or whatever. Like, hey guys, you need to contact this guy for doing this or whatever needs to be done about your business, like, I don't know. But it's just an example. You can share contacts here. You can do whatever it's needed for the team. People can just change it, and everything is changed inside of this file. So this is going to be like a team project. Imagine you have your things on the table. Okay, you have one a laptop, and somebody made a file, and somebody else then changed the file, and it remains changed. So you can also add favorites. Like, I don't know, I love this file so much, it needs to be on my favorite list. Oh my god. You can send it to chat. As I said, you can make chats with your friends, but I don't have friends right now here, so I'm sorry guys, I have a really lonely life. So what can I say? But you can add friends, you can add them by sending them emails to join you, and it's really simple. As you can see, it's really simple. Now we are going to add some contacts. Well, I'm not going to add them because I don't have any friends. I'm sorry to disappoint you. No, just kidding. This is how you can do it anyway. This is where you can check your storage, where you can change your info and stuff like email address, password, blah blah blah, whatever. You can see everything here, so it's pretty simple. Let's be honest with each other. You can upload your stuff here. Like, I don't know, 50 gigabyte is not enough. Okay, I want to upload because I really like this stuff. And no, this video is not sponsored by Mega. I just like the service since I used Mega Upload a lot when I was a kid, and they've been really nice and useful over these years. So why just not give them some digital media space? Yay! Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. We are going to log out here. You can also log in with another account if you have another account or whatever. This is the end of tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see more at digitalmediahow.com.